If you currently learn a code and you feel very hard, you struggle, and you feel want to give up, well, don't give up yet. By the end of this video, you will understand why you have to learn to code now. What I'm going to tell you is based on my real life experience. 3 years ago, when I started my self-taught journey to learn how to code because I want to exit a career that almost took my life, I was just the same as you. The first day I remember when I learned how to do JavaScript, it was hard to understand the concept because my background was a construction engineer. Yes, during the college time I did learn C++, but I don't have the passion to learn at that time, so I just learned for the sake of doing exam because I don't understand we can leverage coding to exit or to find freedom or to build something out of nothing. So I'm just like you, struggle, but it keeps me going because for me, learning to code is not just because I want to earn more income, because I want to exit my life-threatening career at that time. The hardest part, I was having a 9-to-5 job. I come back at home at 6 o'clock and around 9 p.m. I start to learn the code. The reason why me personally almost feel like giving up, learning to code is not the same as you learning how to cook. That is why if you look at the average income for a programmer, it's not easy because coding is a high income skill. If a company laid off a programmer, it's not easy for them to replace with the exact skill program. So what you are doing is actually a high income skill, so it makes sense why it's hard. But I will let you know that the learning curve of a coder is actually very steep. If you just keep on practicing, you need to keep on practicing repeatedly over and over and over again until you found that point you have understand the fundamental and the concept of programming language. To reach that level is the same thing that you learn math. You keep on practicing. That is the only formula. So my first advice to you is that it's normal. Do not feel bad for yourself. Do not give up because it happens to me as well. I'll tell you one story. My first exposure to code building a real project is back in 2018. It was me and two of my friends want to build Tinder for sport, and we chose Java as a language to build that software. It was hard for me, but I learned it anyway, even though the app was never complete, but I learned it anyway, and I don't quit because I'm always amazed of coding to build something out of nothing. There is no other high income skill that you can build something out of nothing unless you know how to code. One of the reasons why the AI exists today is because of coding. So imagine you are learning a superpower to build something out of nothing. That is why it's hard, because once you have acquired that superpower, then nothing is going to stop you. You will able to change your life, have a better job, better income. You can help your family. You can work anywhere in the world. You can work remotely. You can work hybrid. You can do freelance. You can build your own product. The sky is limitless if you acquire the skill called coding. So it makes sense why it's hard. You need to understand. It makes sense. So don't give up. Keep on going. If I, at 32 years old, can change my career from construction worker into programmer, and specifically as we speak today, mark my 2 years experience in software development world, I'm able to connect to the people who have the same mindset as me. I'm able to build my own product, and I'm able to create my second product. I'm able to create more than one source of income. This is how code changed my life. And so can you. I hope this helps you motivate, and soon I will share my roadmap how I land my first job. But before that, keep on coding. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.